Okay, here's how you use these files on the website and everything else to connect to the epoch server or overpoch server. Basically what you'll do is, of course, you should already be at this website because you're watching this video, but you'll go to the website and you'll have two options to download two files. One is to run the game in full screen mode and one is to load it in windowed mode. I recommend the full screen mode because basically you're going to lose some FPS if you do the windowed mode, plus most people like to abuse the windowed mode for Alt F4ing and disconnecting quick. But here we go. Basically you'll click on download and it will give you the option to download, and you will see right there it is full screen overpoch.bat overpoch. So save, and if you look here on my desktop, this is the file that I just downloaded from the website. When I click that download link, this is the file it gave me. Okay, your file may not be on your desktop because I've set it up to where everything that I download goes directly in my face. That's the way I like it. Alright, and no perverted comments on that, but here we go. So once you have that file, if you do not see it, it is most likely in your downloads directory. Some people have different ones, but in my case, if I click on the start menu and then go up here to my computer name, which is owner, there is a folder here called downloads. This is most likely where that file will be located. Matter of fact, I got a bunch of stuff in there. Goodbye. Okay, so that's where it would most likely be at, like that. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to drag it out, put it on my desktop. Alright, so now we have the first step. Went to the website, downloaded the file we need, got the file. Now you need to do this. Go to the start menu, go to computer, go to local disk C, Windows, whatever it is, but it will have the C symbol right there. Go into that. Now, you have two options on here. If you're running a 64-bit operating system, you're going to have the x86 folder. I do have 64-bit, so I do have it. Alright. You guys, if you're running 32-bit, which I hope to God you're not, there is a Programs Files Only folder. Well, in this case, I'm going to go to 86. In there, you should see a folder called Steam. Click on Steam. Down below, you should see a folder called Steam Apps. Click on Steam Apps. Then you should see a folder called Common. Click on Common. Now, these two folders right here. First things first, you have to get prepared to use all the files. So, go into your ARMA 2 directory. You will see a folder here called Add-ons. Okay, right-click on that. Copy them. Okay, now back up and go into the ARMA 2 Operation Arrowhead folder. Okay, in here, scroll down. Do not click on a folder and click paste because now it's going to copy it into the folder and that's not where we need it. So I'm going to click down here in the white area, right click, and paste. Okay, I already have this. Okay, so I'm just going to click yes. You guys wouldn't have it. You probably won't get that dialog. And I'm copying and replacing all the files. So right now what I'm doing is copying the files I need from the ARMA 2 directory into my ARMA 2 OA directory. Now I'm going to back up. Oh, cancel that. I'm going to go back in. So back into the ARMA 2 Operation Arrowhead where I am pasting those files right now as we speak. Yeah, 8 gigs. Massive. Scroll down. And you should take this bat here that we downloaded from the website. So the file that we got from this website, we need to take that file and put it into the folder as well. As you will see right there, there it is. I'm going to right click on it, send to, desktop create shortcut. This has to be done unless you're going to come into this folder every time and double click on that file. Okay, there we go. Now we have a shortcut of that file on the desktop. Right click on that and you can rename it if you would like to. I'm going to because it makes it easier. So I'm going to put some guy overpoch because some guy is me and it's my server and it's overpoch. So basically now all you have to do, we're done with everything else. We need to let this finish. You have to also make sure that you have Overwatch and Epoch installed from dayz Commander. Okay, those have to be there. This file right here is going to call for those files. If they don't exist, it will call for nothing. So basically now that we have it there, once this is done, you can double click on this file here, and it will load you directly into the server, IP and all. It puts it all in there. It skips the intros. Matter of fact, let's do this. If you would like to edit it for some reason, go to Edit, Run, and as you can see, it just has a few parameters here. Let me open it with something a little bit fancier. There we go. This is what it looks like. If I can get this to work here. Oh well. Okay, so basically what it does is if you have an Arma task running, it will kill it so that way you don't have a conflict. Then it goes over here and it combines Overwatch and Epoch, loads your betas, cancels out all the intro screens and everything else, all the spam that Bohemia likes to put in. Then it connects you to the server, port and IP. That's all it is. And then it closes out and your game runs. So that's all there is to it. I've made it quite simple. If you guys can't figure this out, I'm going to laugh at you. But it's really easy. There you go. Y'all have fun.